Hey there, it's Dana. How are you? Welcome to my bathroom. I'm here to talk a little bit about essential oils today. And the first thing I want to clear up in this first video is how to use oils. So there's three ways to use oils. One is aromatically, which means you put it in a diffuser or in an oil burner or something like that where you can diffuse it in the air. If you're going to use this choice, my invitation to you is to look at the size of the room and decide, is that diffuser going to fill up my room? And if it's not, either get two or get a bigger diffuser. So they sell all styles, all different kinds of diffusers. The first thing you want to look at is if it's made of plastic, and I would say no. But if that's in your price range, then okay, and then work your way up to something that is made of ceramic or something that's a little bit more environmental friendly. The second thing is when you use essential oils in a diffuser, there's another type where you can just put the oil right in the diffuser and it sucks the oil or, diffuses the oil right into the air. I personally think that uses too much oil. That's just my own personal preference. And so I get the ones where you add water. And I have one in every room. I have two in my living room and then one each in the girls' room and one in my room. And we all get to use whatever scents we want. So that's one way, aromatically. And the second way is topically, so on your body. So people ask me, if I'm going to use oils on my body, should I use coconut fractionated oil or any kind of carrier oil? And the answer is yes. I personally have been using these oils for so long that I don't normally do that, but that's just me. And I've only had trouble with that one time, which is where I put a product underneath my eyes too close to my eyes, and my eyes got all puffy and I had an allergic reaction. So my invitation to you is to see what works and then use accordingly. Maybe put it on your forearms or your feet or somewhere where you can see what's going to happen to the skin prior to putting it on your face or in your hair or something. I had one woman put a certain essential oil in her shampoo and her hair started falling out, so you don't want that to happen. And you can't blame it on the oils. You have to blame it on your own self for not really checking in with your body first. So that would be my invitation. What I've been using on my skin that I've been so in love with lately is I do dry brush every day. And dry brush, you go from the limbs inward all the way to the heart. And I've been doing that every day for years. And it helps your lymphatic system and it just helps everything. And so I've been using, by way of the creator of doTERRA suggested this, to put pink pepper and grapefruit. And I've been doing that and I'm like in love with it. I can't wait to get up in the morning and do that on my skin. So you can dry brush, you can mix it with coconut fractionated oil or any kind of carrier oil. You can put it directly on your skin. Just be mindful of where you put it and how often. And the thing with the oils is they go right into your system. And so it's not like you put some on first thing in the morning and then you're done. You can continue to reapply all day long. It's not going to hurt you. And then, let's see, I think that was it. Oh, and if you want to get the best effects, the best place to put it is on the hands, the bottoms of the feet, the back of the neck, anywhere where there's points in the body like that. So the last way is to ingest. And so there's a couple ways to ingest. One is to just drop it right into your mouth, So when you get doTERRA oils, they have this little thing on them, right? And so you don't want to stick your tongue on it because it's kind of gross. You just this is frankincense every day, all day. Thumb, roof of the mouth for 20 seconds. You could add oils to your water. You could add oils to your juice. You could add oils to food, however it works for you. And I'm going to go through a ritual that I have in the next video. But the other thing I want to say is, it's my medicine cabinet. Veggie caps. So I use veggie caps if I want to use 2, 3, 4 different oils, or if I want to mix something up on my own, then I use these. Or if I want to use something like oregano, which is super strong and I don't want to taste it, I just do a little veggie cap, and then you can take them that way. So 3 different ways: aromatic, topical, and then ingesting. So just be mindful. You'll know if you can ingest them because it'll say, at least in doTERRA, on doTERRA it says supplemental information. If it says it, you can ingest it. It doesn't mean it's going to taste good. So just be mindful and choose what you want to do. And if you have any questions and you're part of our team, please feel free to reach out to me. Even if you're not part of our team, just feel free to reach out. This is a huge passion for me. So I would love to answer any questions that you have. Yeah, and one more thing about the topical. People ask me, can I put such and such an oil in my bath? Okay, so be mindful. Put it on your hand first, see what it feels like. I had somebody say, oh, I put lemon in my bath and then I had this horrible rash. Maybe just notice what lemon does to your skin. And I wouldn't put peppermint in a bath, just FYI. I've had a couple people say, I took a peppermint bath and then I burned my skin. Just be wise. Be wise. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Okay? Thanks so much, you guys. And I'll be seeing you soon. Again, you know how to get a hold of me. You can get a hold of me through my direct messaging on Instagram, Facebook, or email. Dana@danademara.com. Have a great day. Ta-ta for now. Mwah.